Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube.
Hello there.
Welcome to Delkevic.
With every sports and performance exhaust we sell is included a strap, enabling you to mount it to your bike. And there are two types that we offer. One is a polymer strap with a stainless steel ferrule insert, and the other is a stainless steel strap with a rubber insulative backing. And they come in either a round shape or an oval shape. And whichever strap comes with your exhaust depends on the exhaust you've bought. They have their own methods of assembly, and that's what we're going to cover right now. So the strap we're going to cover is the stainless steel one. And Sim here has never done this before, so we're going to go through it now. And the first thing you need to do is, one, try and wear some gloves, because these straps can have some sharp edges on them, and you don't want to get your fingers on anything. And they come with a plastic coating on them to prevent any scratches in storage and transit. So the first thing you need to do is remove the plastic backing. And if you just pull it back like that, and I'm doing this one here, you can see you can pull it off in one go, like that. So then you take the rubber strap. Now it's a good idea to spray some silicone on it. Again, we tend to use silicone for pretty much everything around here because it doesn't discolor anything and it doesn't smoke with heat from the exhaust. So just take the strap and just spray a bit of silicone on it like that. And yeah, not too much. If you have too much, then things will start to slip out of your hand, and again you can end up cutting your fingers. So you'll see that on these straps there's a letter, and you'll see on the inside of the tangs there'll be a letter. So then you place the strap on the inside there, and you try and line it so the first sort of where the strap starts, the lip there, you see like that, and then use your thumb to flick the lip over. It might help if you get the next indentation in there, or the next, and then lock that one in, lock that one, and then just work your way back to the middle and flicking the lip over as you go. And you find it should sort of start to all slot in. And there you go, like that. So how are you getting on with your Sim?
Getting there.
Well, you might find that getting a friend to help you with this might help. So maybe a friend who's done it before. So got there in the end. Yeah. And you can see it's clipped on. It shouldn't move around and should sort of sit evenly, and it'll just look right. Just bear in mind that these two should always be touching. The inside faces of these tangs should always be touching. There will never be anything going in between them. Some of our customers have put washers in between thinking that's correct. It's not. There is a degree of tension on these, so when it goes on it's all supposed to be locked in place. And it's quite a precision fit. It's designed to clamp the exhaust with the correct amount of tension. And if you put anything in between the tangs, you won't get that tension. We have our metal strap going onto an oval can here, in this case. Again, we slide it over and we put that tang there. And there's nothing in between these two, as you can see. And they will touch each other, like so. And it's all going to be under tension, so it might feel that, oh, I'm going to break something. No, it'll be fine. So just check the angle and that the exhaust sits in on the correct position. And then carefully tighten it up. So that's the stainless steel straps. So there you have it, a quick breakdown of our stainless steel straps. We hope we've covered everything you need to know to get the job done.
But if you do need any further clarification, leave a question in the comments box below. He'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'd love to know how you got on with it.
You can also drop us an email or call us at the relevant address or number for your locality.
Okay, that wraps it up for this video.
We'll see you in the next one. It's goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from her.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been informative and that you've enjoyed it. Please show your appreciation by clicking the like button and also subscribing, which will enable us to keep you up to date with our latest content releases and special offers.